Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to use the Lowe's view in your space AR tool. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So all you need to do is simply go ahead and open your Lowe's application and then head into the tools option and then simply go ahead and select the view in your space tool. And all you need to do is simply go ahead and scan your space. So wherever you want a furniture, in order to go ahead and do so, you can simply go ahead and choose any product. So for example, a cabinet or a dishwasher or anything, but you need to have a iOS device for that. And the device also should have the AR feature on the item as well. So simply go ahead and select the AR feature. Looks like this one doesn't, but all you need to do is scan the area you want to go ahead and put your place on. As you can see, just like that, click on allow, and all you need to do is simply go ahead and tap to place the object on the vertical or horizontal space, and then just scan your space. And when you scan your space, it will show you a exact shape and size of the product on your space. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next